Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to transfer a file into a different folder. It is a very straightforward process. For this example, we have two files, image 1 and image 2. First, let's create some destinations. Right-click, select New Folder, name it Folder 1, and click Create. Follow the same steps to make another one called Folder 2 and hit Create. Next, select image 1 and drag it into Folder 1. Then, take image 2 and drop it into folder 2. To move a file from one location to another, enter the first folder. Right-click the image, find the Organize option, and click Move. This opens a selection window where you can choose the target directory. Since our file is currently in folder 1, we will select folder 2 and click the Move button. As you can see, the image has been successfully relocated. If we check folder 2, the file is now present. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If this was helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more. See you next time.